Okay, welcome back. Good morning again. Okay. Now what I want to look at is the site security and waste disposal. Okay. And now that matters a great deal. Okay. Now again, remember to read the information, extract the information, and make it your own. Okay. Now again, you would have seen a lot of this in a similar format, but this purely is an extension to what has already been given in the other videos. But it is relevant, and you need to read them in conjunction with the IEE regs at all times. No, I have no idea why that has gone suddenly bright. I expect you to tell me in some other moment in a time. Most peculiar. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's better. Thank you. Again, read the information. Keep it in mind. Do additional research on HSE website. It provides you with a great deal of information for you to write up and to extract and to make your own. Use it. Become a better electrician than you expected. Now do the multi-choice questions as well. Do not ignore them. They're not there because I'm handsome and good looking. They're there to help you and to assist you with the online test that you will be doing in due course. Get it done. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.